Good morning, girls. Once again, today we are continuing with graphical method. Okay, in the last lecture, we saw how to find out the feasible region from the given constraints and how to find the optimal solution. When you have two variables in the linear system, we can solve it using graphical method. Okay, so today we will see different cases. Yeah. Now I'm giving you one problem. We will solve all together. All of you have taken your notebook. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Please do draw the lines with me. In the last problem, if you remember, it was also a special case. It has infinitely many solutions. The LPP had infinitely many solutions because all the points which were on that particular line segment, they were giving you Z answer, maximum answer equal to 20. And therefore, the LPP had infinitely many solutions. So that was also a special case. Now we will see.
Ma'am, you had given a homework.
Yes. So have you done that?
Ma'am, in that actually we got a single point C as the where we got the maximum value.
Okay, what
So
was?
LPP has only one solution, no?
Yeah. Just tell me the problem.
Ma'am, it is
Z
maximum.
equals to 5.
Yeah, Z equal to 5x1 plus 3x2, right? Subject to
Yes, ma'am.
3x1 plus 5x2
Subject to 3x1.
15. 6x1 plus 2x2 less than or equal to 24. And you were asked to maximize the Z value, right? So answer of this is yes, what you are getting? X1 value.
Ma'am, X1 was 3.75 and X2 was 0.75 and Z max was 21.
Correct. Absolutely correct. It is 16 by 4 or 3.75.
75.
Yes. And
3 by 4 or
4
0.75.
75 and Z max 21.
0.75.
So this is a
21.
unique solution case. Okay. So please remember, whenever optimal solution exists, whenever optimal solution exists, this is very important, then it need not be unique. This is one thing. It need not be unique. There may be infinitely many solutions. So optimal solution means you get the variable's value and your objective function's value cannot be improved with respect to your objective. If you are maximizing it, it cannot be improved. That means you cannot achieve a greater answer than that. That should be the maximum possible. If you are minimizing your objective function, you will not be able to reduce it. That is the meaning of optimal solution. Okay. So whenever optimal solution exists, you must have observed that these points, this x1 comma x2, 15 by 4 comma 3 by 4, this point must be an extreme point. आपको जो कुछ पॉलीगॉन मिला होगा, कॉन्वेक्स पॉलीगॉन होगा, वो शेडेड रीजन ऐसा कुछ मिला होगा ना आपको, राइट?
Yes, ma'am.
तो वो जो शेडेड
Yes,
रीजन है, उसके जो एक्सट्रीम पॉइंट्स होते हैं, कॉर्नर पॉइंट्स होते हैं, वहां पे ऑप्टिमल सॉल्यूशन एग्जिस्ट करता है. ऑप्टिमल सॉल्यूशन ऑलवेज एग्जिस्ट at extreme points. Okay, I mean to say within this region you don't get optimal. This is feasible solution. All these points, they satisfy feasible solution because they satisfy all the constraints, so those are part of feasible solution. But optimal is always at the corner. Okay, have you understood this? Those who haven't solved this problem, please solve it again. This was the simplest problem I had given. just to understand how to decide the feasible region, common feasible region for both the constraints. Now let us continue with something else. Yeah, I am taking now some other
So
problem.
in this question, where is the optimal solution?
Sorry, I couldn't hear you.
Ma'am, in this question, where is the optimal solution at point C, right?
हाँ, तुम्हारा पॉइंट ये आया है ना, ये जो आपके एक्सट्रीम पॉइंट्स देखो, जस्ट अ मिनट, ये आपका कुछ ऐसा आया होगा ना फिजिबल रीजन. क्या है पॉइंट्स आपके पहले लाइन के, बताओ जरा. फर्स्ट लाइन के पॉइंट्स क्या है?
Ma'am, 0, 3 and 5, 0.
Yeah, 0, 3 and 5, 0, and in between any point you can tell me, Riona.
Ma'am, I only took 2 points.
Actually you should
1 and
is 3 points, huh?
2.4.
1 and 2. 1 and 2 नहीं होगा.
1 and 2.
1 and
2.4.
2.4.
No, ma'am, 1 and 2.4.
हाँ, 1 and 2.4 ना. So this is 2.5. So this somewhere this is 2.4. Okay, so this is another point. At least 3 points you should take for the accuracy of the line, okay? Because between any 2 points there is always a line. So please take always proper scale. 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit, and you need to write whenever you will give offline paper. So you need to write scale on. Okay, scale on. What scale you are taking? X axis पे क्या स्केल ले रहे हो? आपको ये ग्राफ ड्रॉ करना पड़ता है.
X1.
1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. You will get graph paper, okay, for this from the college. So you have to write, but what scale you are taking accordingly you should set. Okay, आपके जो numbers है,
Yes, ma'am.
suppose आपके right hand constants है 3000, 2000, accordingly आपको 1 unit 1 centimeter is equal to 100 units, 50 units, ऐसे आपको लेना पड़ेगा scale. Okay, so here we are taking very small, we are handling very small integers, so it's okay. 1 centimeter is 1 unit. Another line is 6, 2 and 24. So it should be
0, 12.
uh,
0, 12.
7.
4, 0 and 2, 6.
That will not fit in my graph paper right now. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
1, 9.
1, 9. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
Yes, ma'am.
8 ही आए क्या मेरे? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 9 is a point. Yes. 9 2s are 18 plus 6, 24. And what is
6 is okay, ma'am.
2,
2, 6.
okay,
6.
6, 9, 8, 7, 6, yeah.
4, 0.
What is the 4, 0? So this line will go like this, right? Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you can continue this line. Now, I think both the constraints are less equal, right? Both the constraints are less equal, and there
Yes,
is
ma'am.
no negative coefficient. There is no negative entry in these constraints. In this case, these will be the this whole portion. Okay, this whole portion which I am showing by blue rays, it is the feasible region, which includes this also, huh? It is the feasible region or solution set for second constraint, line L2. And this one which I am showing by red now, this is the feasible region, okay, for first constraint. So what is the common feasible region? Common feasible region would be OABC. Okay, because see, this one which I am showing by green now, green, this doesn't satisfy second constraint. Do you understand it? This satisfies only the first constraint. Okay, so this portion we cannot consider, only first constraint satisfied. Okay, and this portion only second
Second
constraint.
constraint.
So we cannot consider these two. We need to skip these two, and therefore we are left with this choice. So this shaded region OABC is the feasible region for both these. So A is easy to understand. The coordinates of A are 0, 3. This O is 0, 0 origin. C के coordinates क्या है 4, 0, and B is the intersection of these two. So intersection of these two means you have to solve them simultaneously. Okay, so you can solve them simultaneously. So multiply this first constraint by 2, so that will become 6x1, 10x2, 30, and this will become some minus 8x2 is minus 6. So x2 is 3 by 4, that is 0.75. Okay, and accordingly x1 is 15 by 4.
15 by
And
4.
then you calculate
3.75.
z at all these points, z at 0, 3, z at 0, 0, z at 15 by 4, 3 by 4, and z at 4, 0. So you are getting maximum answer at this 21. Okay, is that clear to everyone? How to decide the feasible region?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, now let us solve next problem. Maximize z equal to 3x1 plus 2x2.
So, ma'am, we'll write the answer as this LPP has a unique solution.
Yes, you should write the answer as
Yes.
optimal solution. Say optimal solution. Okay, optimal solution. X1 is equal to 15 by 4, x2 is equal to 3 by 4, with z max is equal to 21. This is how one can write. No need to write unique solution. If you are writing it only once, it is understood. If there are more solutions, you must specify that. Okay, can we continue? Any other doubts?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so subject to 2x1 plus x2 is less equal to, and 3x1 plus 4x2 is less greater equal 12. Is greater equal 12. With x1 and x2 greater equal 0. So we always find out the solution in the first quadrant. Okay, the variables are always non-negative. Okay, so let us draw it first of all. So I think this will go only up to 0, 3 and 4, 0. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. So first line, tell me the points quickly. Somebody else from the class. Yes.
0, 2.
0, 2. And
1, 0.
Yes, 1, 0. So this line is very, very easily you can draw it quickly. Okay. Then next points. First line हो चुकी है draw आपकी. Second line, what are the intercepts? Put x1 is 0 and 1s and put x2 is 0 once. Yes, somebody else.
Ma'am, minus 1, 4.
0, 3 and 0, 4.
0, 3 and 4, 0.
Huh?
Take
Sorry.
positive points, Riona. I cannot draw now negative points. I take positive points. 2, if I put 2, x1 is equal to 2, then x2 will be 1.5, right? if I put x1 1, then x2 will be 9 by 4. Okay, let it be. Let me draw this. 3 points are enough. Okay. So now tell me the feasible region for the first constraint. Harshada, are you there? Harshada
Yes,
Mansa.
ma'am.
Yeah, please tell me, Harshada, feasible region for the first constraint. 2x1 plus x2 less than or equal to 12. Which part satisfies this
Yes,
constraint?
ma'am.
See, this L1 line, this is your L2 line. This L1 line is making two parts of the plane. One part is here and the other part is here, right? So which part satisfies that?
Yes, ma'am.
So आपको एक point लेना चाहिए. सपोज इस पार्ट ये थोड़ा बड़ा पार्ट लग रहा है हमें, तो इसका एक पॉइंट लेके देखते हैं, जैसे कि 2,1. इट इज आउटसाइड फॉर लाइन 1. द पॉइंट 2,1 is on the line of this second constraint, but it is outside first constraint. So मैं 2,1 लेती हूँ या 2,2 लेती हूँ. सपोज 2,2 यहाँ पे है, देखो. तो 2,2 ले रही हूँ मैं. तो इसमें 2,2 सब्स्टिट्यूट करो. 2 into 2 plus 2. The answer is 6. 6 is not less equal to, right? That means ये जो ऊपर वाला पोर्शन है, ये फर्स्ट कंस्ट्रेंट सेटिस्फाई नहीं करता है. समझ में आ रहा है क्या? आर यू गेटिंग इट गर्ल्स?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ. तो लाइन 1 के लिए कौन सा पोर्शन हमने लेना चाहिए? लाइन 1 के लिए
मैम ओरिजिन के साइड का.
ओरिजिन के साइड का मतलब नाउ आई एम डिनोटिंग इट बाय ब्लू. सो ये पूरा पोर्शन जो है ना, ये पूरा, लेकिन हम फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट में लेंगे. वी विल रिस्ट्रिक्ट टू द फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट एंड देयरफॉर ओनली दिस मच पोर्शन. ओके. द रीजन शेडेड इन ब्लू shows the solution set for constraint 1. Right? Now what about the second constraint? Second constraint 3x1 plus 4x2 is greater equal 12. सॉरी. हाँ, करेक्ट है. ये सेकेंड कंस्ट्रेंट है आपकी. देखो मैं ब्लू लाइन से ड्रॉ कर रही हूँ. ये सेकेंड कंस्ट्रेंट है आपकी. अभी इसमें देखो आपको पोर्शन डिसाइड करना है. इस लाइन की वजह से भी प्लेन के दो पार्ट्स होते हैं. ओके, नाउ फॉरगेट अबाउट द फर्स्ट कंस्ट्रेंट. इस लाइन की वजह से भी ये वाला एक पोर्शन पूरा आता है और ये वाला एक पोर्शन पूरा आता है. करेक्ट? Correct, girls? I want answer. I cannot proceed without your answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Because of this line drawn in blue color, there are two parts of the plane. This part and this part. Okay? So which part is of our interest? वो हमें डिसाइड करना है. सो मैं इस पार्ट में जो बड़ा दिख रहा है इसमें से एक पॉइंट ले रही हूँ एंड आई विल सी वेदर इट सेटिस्फाइज. सो सपोज मैं एक पॉइंट लेती हूँ 3,4. ये 3,4 यहाँ पे है, इस लाइन के इस तरफ है. ओके. सो 3,4 इफ आई सब्स्टिट्यूट इन 3x1 plus 4x2, 3 into 3 plus 4 into 4. So 9 plus 16 is 25. 25 is greater than 12. Right?
Yes.
Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
So what does it mean? Tell me which region satisfies the second constraint?
The
Upper
outer
region.
region.
This part, right? Shaded in green.
Upside.
Yes, this part satisfies. So the region shaded in green You give names to these regions A and B. आप नाम दे सकते हो. आप पेन से ही करोगे, एक पेन से ही, तो आपको कलर्स अलग नहीं मिलेंगे. तो आप रीजन को नाम दे दो. The region shaded in green is the solution set for constraint 2. So do you find any common solution set?
No, ma'am.
No.
No.
So what does it mean? There is no feasible region. The constraints are conflicting. No common feasible region. Do you understand it? Okay? Is that okay? Have you drawn the graph?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this shows that there is no common feasible region, or just you can say feasible region, because feasible region itself tells us that it satisfies the constraints, all the constraints simultaneously. This shows that there is no feasible region. That is, the constraints are conflicting each other. One is greater equal, the other one is less equal, but see, still sometimes LPP has solution. जैसे कि ये जो ग्राफ था, यहाँ पे कभी कभी क्या हो सकता है कि ये रीजन आ सकता है कॉमन दोनों का. ओके, बट यहाँ पे वो वैसा नहीं हो रहा है. The constraints are conflicting, and therefore we can say therefore LPP has no solution. Okay, there is no solution for this problem. Now we are left with a case of unbounded solution. Have you understood this? Girls, have you understood this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now I want to give one problem where there is an unbounded solution. Let me just check the problem. Usually what happens, when your objective function is to be maximized and the constraints are greater equal. When they are less equal, usually we get a bounded area. But when the constraints are greater equal, then and objective function is to be maximized, then the solution is unbounded. Okay, it can be increased indefinitely. So I'm just looking for such type of problem. Otherwise, I will have to construct one problem of this type. Let us check. Yes, let us have one problem. Maximize z equal to 5x1 plus 7x2 subject to x1 plus x2 greater equal 4, 3x1 plus 8x2 greater equal 24, 10x1 plus 7x2 greater equal 35, x1 x2 greater equal 0. So there are three constraints now. The objective function is to be maximized and all the constraints are greater equal type. Okay. So let us draw it neatly. हमें कहाँ तक जाना होगा? 7 5s are 35 if I put x1 0 here, and 3.5, 8 3s are 3 8s are. Okay. So yes, can you tell me the first line points? x1 plus x2 greater equal 4. So those who are attending my lecture first time,
0 4
I will tell you x1 plus x2 greater equal 4
0
draw करने के लिए, साक्षी wait, greater equal 4 draw करने के लिए, for time being you assume that this inequality is nothing but an equation, and put random values to draw the line. Okay, and then according to the constraint you decide the feasible region. Yeah, now tell me 0 4 Sakshi.
4 0
4 0.
Then there is 2 2.
2 2
Yeah, you can have 3 and 3. Okay, so all these points if you join you will get the first. Now tell me, for this particular line, what is the feasible region? x1 plus x2 greater equal 4. Which region will satisfy this? Tell me. This region or this region? Yes, come on girls.
The
Which?
above one.
The
The
above,
above.
the above one. The
Above
region
one.
B region, right? Because see, you can take 1 point, say 3, 2 point में अगर ले रही हूँ, so 3 plus 2 will be 5 and 5 is greater than 4, and that is what we want. We want greater equal 4 answer, and therefore for the first constraint the feasible region would be this, right? Okay, now let us draw the second line. Second line क्या है? Second line बोलो. 3x1 plus 8x2 equal to 24. 3x1 plus 8x2 is equal to 24. Is greater equal to
0 3 0 comma 3
yes.
8 comma 0.
Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, next.
Um,
2 and 2.2.
2 and 2.2.
Yes, ma'am.
कैसे?
Substitute करके आया आंसर.
मैम 2,4
2.4 आ रहा है क्या? 3 2s are 6.
नहीं नहीं मैम
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am, I got 4 comma 1.5.
4 comma 1.5. This seems little bit okay. 4 comma 1.5 will be somewhere here. Okay. Yeah. So you can draw this line. For accuracy purpose I am drawing it carefully. अगर आप प्रॉपर स्केल लेते हो ना 1 सेंटीमीटर इक्वल टू 1 यूनिट, तो आपकी लाइंस परफेक्टली क्लियर करेक्ट आएंगी. ओके, परफेक्ट आएंगी. ये मैं प्रॉपर स्केल पे नहीं हूँ तो मुझे पता नहीं. Okay, now for this line L2 tell me the feasible region. इस लाइन के लिए कौन सा रीजन सेटिस्फाई करेगा? फिर से इसकी वजह से दो हिस्से होते हैं. देखो,
Above region.
के नीचे वाला ये भी आ रहा है उसमें, और ये ऊपर वाला. तो ऊपर वाले में एक पॉइंट लेते हैं, जैसे कि 3,3. So 3 into 3 plus 8 into 3, that will be 33, which is greater than 24. And that is what we want. We want greater than 24 answer. Right? Yes, girls? So again,
Yes,
which
ma'am.
region satisfies?
Yes, ma'am, upper region.
ये अपर रीजन इसका मतलब ये वाला. ओके, ये वाला, ये नहीं आए. ये वाला भी है उसमें, ये वाला भी है. हाँ, लेकिन ये वाला रीजन इस ग्रीन लाइन के लिए सेटिस्फाई करता है क्या?
मैम नीचे वाला करता है, ऊपर वाला नहीं करता. मतलब
ग्रीन लाइन के लिए ये वाला करता है, लेकिन ये ब्लू वाले के लिए नहीं करता है.
हाँ.
है ना? मतलब ये रीजन चला
मतलब
गया हमारा.
facing outward.
ये रीजन हम नहीं ले सकते हैं. इन दोनों का मतलब ये ले सकते हैं. देखो, अभी मैं ब्लू से ही ड्रॉ करती हूँ. फिलहाल हमारा कॉमन फिजिबल रीजन कौन सा होगा? ये ऐसा वाला है ना. आर यू गेटिंग इट? दोनों लाइंस का कॉमन फिजिबल रीजन हमारा ये होगा. इसे मैं ए नाम देती हूँ, बी एंड सी. इज इट बाउंडेड? इज इट अ बाउंडेड रीजन?
No.
It is not.
No,
Because the whole upper region is available. The whole upper envelope is available to us, right? So it is not bounded. Let us draw the third line now. Third line. Okay, so I am erasing this part.
0,5.
0,5.
5.
Okay, 0,5.
Yes.
Then
3.5,0.
3.5 मतलब यहाँ पे होगा. Yes. Then
And 2.8,1.
1 and 2.8 comma 1. Okay. This is 2.5. This is 2.75. This is 2.8 somewhere and 1. Okay. So I'm just trying to draw. Okay. Yeah. See, I'm not on the proper scale. So there may be some. Yeah. Now for this red line, which portion is the feasible region again? You want greater equal 35 आंसर.
The above.
तो इसके लिए भी अबव आ जाएगा, है ना. और ये जो एरिया है, ये रेड लाइन के लिए सेटिस्फाई नहीं करेगा. डू यू अंडरस्टैंड? एंड देयरफॉर आवर फिजिबल रीजन, द कॉमन फिजिबल रीजन फॉर ऑल दीज 3 कंस्ट्रेंट्स वुड बी दिस. ये जो मैं रेड से अभी करने जा रही हूँ, ये पूरा. So I will call it as P, and I don't know whether this B was intersection of all the 3, P, Q and R. Now, what is your objective function? You are getting 3 points actually. P, Q and R you are getting as extreme points. At these values you can calculate your Z value. What is Z?
5x1 plus 7x2.
5x1 plus 7x2. Now see, you can calculate at PQR the value of Z. But as you move ahead, as this whole area is available to me, I can choose any point in this region. For example, if I choose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 7 point, somewhere here, 7 and 7 point. Okay, this is my point in the region, and if I substitute 7 comma 7, so what will be my answer? 35 plus 49 something. Okay, so it will be 84, right? But if I choose now 100 comma 100, That is also part of my solution. So what will be the answer? It will be 1200. Right? Are you getting it? Come on, girls. Last minute is remaining. Last minute lecture. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
If you go on increasing the value of x1 and x2, you are going to get more and more, or a greater answer, a bigger answer. And you are interested in maximizing it. So at any particular point, can you tell that, yeah, this is my maximum answer or this is my optimal solution? Can you tell that?
No, ma'am.
No. Because your objective function is of maximization type, you cannot decide. Huh?
Ma'am, what is the meaning of optimal solution?
Optimal
What can we
means
tell that
best
this is an
possible.
optimal solution?
Optimal solution means best possible, which you cannot improve. That means you cannot make it. You cannot get greater answer than that if you are maximizing it. If you are minimizing the objective function, you cannot get a smaller answer than it. Okay, keeping in mind all the constraints. So here what is happening, my whole region is available to me. This is my feasible region, no? This whole region is my feasible region. I can take 1000, 1000 also as my solution. And if I put that, the Z value is going to increase only every time. So I cannot tell the yes, this is my optimal solution. And therefore, this problem has an unbounded solution. Do you understand it? When you get unbounded solution, when all your constraints are greater equal type like this, and objective function is to be maximized, you get unbounded solution. Please remember this. Okay? If at all you are minimizing this, then you can find the minimum answer at these 3 points, P, Q, R. यहाँ पे इन तीनों में से कौन सा आंसर सबसे छोटा आ रहा है, that would be your optimal solution in case of minimization. I think it's time to stop now.